There are a ton of things that you can do in the Motive Playboard after you log in. From understanding what your users search for and how those searches evolve for each of your languages and different time intervals, to creating business rules that boost or bury products in your shopper search results, adding banners that complement your campaigns and capture everyone's attention, or choosing the products that are featured when the customer clicks the search box. On top of that, the tools in the search results section allow you to create synonyms to link similar terms, set up redirections to non-product pages on your website, manage results visibility, and decide which fields can be searched. In the search layer section, you can configure what your shop looks like, as well as choosing which filters are displayed and the order that they appear. At the bottom, you can also manage when your catalog syncs and some settings of the product, like how the search layer is displayed. The best way to get to know everything is just by trying it out.